guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Heather and I'm a makeup artist with over 20 years of experience here to save you a little bit of money. Today we're opening a mystery pack, so I'm so excited. This one is from Juvia's Place. It's $54 originally, but it's on sale right now for $15 as of the filming of this video. It's supposed to have 4 products in it, including a mystery item that has not been released yet, a new product. So I'm so excited. So let's get into it. Just open it now. I haven't opened it. I don't know what's in here. I haven't looked at it at all. I just did my foundation and stuff like that. And if you saw me wearing the same top in another video, it's because I filmed another video right before this and I couldn't be bothered to change. So I did order an additional item, a lip oil, which I think is going to be this one. Yeah, Magic pH Color Change Lip Gloss. I purchased this. It's not included in the mystery pack, but I am going to show it to you anyway, and we'll swatch it, see what color it turns. It's called Mood. Very pretty, but you know it's not going to stay that color. We'll swatch it on my hand, and then at the end, maybe I'll put it on my lips, or I can put it on my lips and then take it off. Not really changing, is it? Let's see what it does on my lips, which are really freaking dry right now. So basically clear, but it does smell like blueberries, you know, like fake blueberry popsicles or whatever. Yeah, it's not really a color. Anyway. So the first thing I see is Juvia's Place, the Candy Shop Cocoa Millo Lip Gloss. And I'm not even sure which items are supposed to be, which one is supposed to be the new thing, because I don't know enough about all their products to tell you, but we'll see. Juvia's Place. I keep saying Juvia's Place like it's going to be a surprise. Obviously, it's Juvia's Place. Danessa. This collaboration is a dream come true, captivates beauty and rich nudes. Oh, so this is the eyeshadow palette. It's got a little plastic thing there. Ooh, okay. So it's blushes or I don't know if this is supposed to be eyeshadows or blushes, but I think it could be either. I don't know who Danessa is. She's probably a makeup artist. So pressed pigments and eyeshadows is what we have in here. So it's an eye palette. Love these colors. We're going to try that on. Glad I didn't do my eyes yet. Then Magic Lip Oil in Sweet Orange. I'm confused actually because there's only one other thing in here. You know, these lip oils, it's probably not going to be any certain color. Come on. Yeah, it just goes on. It's got a little tint of orange. Doesn't smell like anything. And then a brush. Ooh, it's so soft. Wow, that's really soft and dense. It's going to be good for foundation, cream blush, bronzer, liquid and cream bronzer, that kind of thing, contour. All right, I'm just going to peek back at the website and see what it said it was going to be in here. Okay, yeah, so it said 4 things. It said a mystery eyeshadow palette, which would be this. It said a mystery highlighter, which I don't see here. It said a mystery gloss, which I'm assuming is this one, because this is gloss, this is oil. And then it said 1 mystery item about to drop, so that must be the lip oil, but the highlighter's not here. So there's actually only Well, no, instead they sent a brush. So, I mean, that's fine because it's a mystery box, but that's what it said it was going to be, a mystery highlighter and a mystery eyeshadow, a mystery gloss, and a new product. So, okay. This is the Back to School Mystery Bag Volume 2. But anyway, we're gonna try this eyeshadow on. I think I'm gonna start here with this one called Busy. And I believe that this formula, yeah, it's very pigmented, so it doesn't take much. A little definitely goes a long way. And I'm gonna go for the outside crease a little darker. This color called BSG, I think. Let me just, actually, you know what? I didn't swatch these, so let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so we have BSG, and then Aqua, AKUA, Stush, Busy, and then the two shimmers, Perfectionist and Extra. So I'm glad that I did that, actually, because I really want to use this rosy pink color. Aqua or Aqua? I don't know how to pronounce that. I apologize if I'm getting that wrong. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I purchased this mystery pack with my own money. I love the texture of these mattes. They're very silky smooth. I am going to add a little bit of this Stush, this one right here. This brighter orangey color. Just on the outer lid here. Just because I want to use more of the colors. So I just took my finger into here, into Perfectionist, this middle shimmer, to dab on this lid shimmer. I'm going to take an angled liner brush into the darkest color, BSG, and just define my lash line a little bit. Not really making a liner. My eyes are so hooded that I don't do a thick line. Just give it a little definition. And these shadows are so pigmented that I don't need to use anything to wet it or a setting spray. All right, let me get some concealer on. I'm just going to use the same shadows that I used before. Underneath here. This is Aqua. And I'm going to take, oops. I'm going to take some of this Busy. Alright, let me just find some blush, because I need some blush. Alright, I just grabbed this Blushlighter from Juvia's Place, Soft Tulip Glow. This was not part of this set. I just wanted to use it because it's Juvia's Place. And I'm going to use this brush that they sent me. It's a little big for blush, but we're going to give it a shot. Super pigmented liquid blush, so you don't need much. That's why I put it on my hand first. A smaller brush probably would have been better, but that's okay. I wanted to use this one. I'm going to put on some powder and it'll tone it down anyway. That pH lip gloss, lip oil is changing. Please ignore this dry skin right there. I've been so sick from having weight loss surgery. My doctor says my mucous membranes are drying out because I've been dehydrated. So around my mouth, around my eyes, and in my nose, it keeps getting dry and crusty, which is disgusting, but I couldn't put off filming any longer, so here we are. I'm going to take it off though because I want to use the gloss that they sent. So this is Coco Millo, the Candy Shop Lip Gloss. Very pigmented for a gloss. Yeah, that's nice, and it doesn't look bad with this look either. Let me just pop on some mascara and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. I love the way it turned out. I am a little bummed that the highlighter wasn't in there. If you're gonna do a mystery pack and you don't say what's in it at all, that's one thing, but if you're gonna say what's in it, then that needs to be, well, what's in it. But it was a nice brush they sent instead. Yeah, so beautiful quality on the eyeshadows. Juvia's Place did not disappoint on that score. And I am looking like I'm ready to go somewhere, even though I have absolutely nowhere to go. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you spending a little time with me today. If you want to see more videos like this, please, please, please subscribe. And if you want to hang around a little longer, YouTube is going to suggest some videos for you to watch. I'll see you next time. Bye.